guys, this is Lisa here at Phillips Chevrolet. I'm going to show you how to change the ambient lighting on a 2022 Camaro ZL1 convertible. So this isn't just a standard option just on the ZL1, it comes in your higher trim levels. So you're going to notice the lighting when it's nighttime on your door panel. So it's going to show up on both sides, it shows up by your pedals as well too. So if you want to change that out, you got to go to your infotainment system. So you got to make sure you're at your main home screen, swipe to the right. You're going to click ambient lighting. Make sure it's turned on so that you have the option to adjust the colors. I mean, it gives you tons of different options, and you could change this as many times as you want. It will show up on the right side there once I save it. See, now it's switched over. You can have a two-tone. I mean, there's 3 different kind of color options. If you want to mix it up, it'll be darker at the top and then goes lighter at the bottom. You could do it as many times as you want a day. If you have any questions about the ambient lighting on the Chevy Camaro, ask for me, Lisa P.